Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about some of my summer essentials from Inside Cosmetics. These products are going to make sure you're sorted for summer heat and humidity without multiple touch-ups. We're going to do this minimal glowy makeup look which is quick, subtle and even perfect for a beach vacation. I'll be walking you through each product and tell you why I love it. So let's jump right into the video. Now before you start, make sure your skin is well prepped, your skincare is done because that is the most important step. Also, sunscreen is non-negotiable. For my base, I'll be using Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter Foundation, which feels more like a skin tint on the skin because of how lightweight it is. It is infused with squalane and vitamin E and gives a natural looking glow to the skin. It's waterproof and that makes it perfect for humid, sweaty weather. Now I'll go in with their Mega Cover Concealer in the shade Light and use it wherever I need it. A little under my eyes, some around my mouth and on the pigmentation on my face. It's very high coverage but also super creamy and easy to blend. It doesn't look cakey and you only need a tiny amount. Now for blush, instead of going with something powder or cream based, I'm going in with a water based tint. This is their I'm Tinted blush in the shade Berry Bliss, which by the way is 100% skin safe. As it is dermatologically tested, it melts into the skin, leaves a subtle tint but is also easily buildable. It's such a pretty shade. I'm gonna apply a little bit of it on my eyelids as well to add some color. I love the inbuilt sponge applicator which makes sure it does not spill anywhere. Now to add a sun-kissed glow to my face, I'll be using their Halo Glow Illuminator in the shade Celestial Rose, which is a liquid illuminator and can be used on your face and even your body. I love that there are no chunky shimmer particles in this. It's pretty smooth. I'm gonna apply it on the high points of my face and blend it using my fingers. It blends easily and it is smudge proof, so it is pretty long lasting as well. Now that I'm done using all the creamy liquid products, I'm gonna set my under eyes using this loose powder, which comes with a puff and I really like it because of how finely milled it is. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna keep it simple and chill and use their brow tattoo, which has a waterproof formula and is smudge proof. This not only fills your brows but also defines them and makes them look fluffy. Make sure to wipe off the excess before you apply it on your eyebrows to keep it looking natural. For my lashes, I'm going to use a mascara that does it all and stays put the entire day. This is their long lasting mascara which instantly adds volume to your lashes, lifts them and also adds length. Even though it has a creamy balmy formula, it is water resistant and smudge proof. I love how my lashes look. Now to bring this whole look together, I'm gonna use a nude lipstick, and if you all know me then you know that I like my lipsticks creamy and comfortable. It is their 24 hours non-transfer matte lipstick in the shade Moody. It has a creamy texture that settles into a matte finish. It's hydrating, it's transfer proof, water resistant, and comes in 24 beautiful shades. So this is the final look. I love how it has turned out. It does not feel heavy or make my skin greasy and is perfect for the hot, humid weather. Now, how can we do summer without smelling good? I like to use a refreshing fruity floral fragrance, and this one ticks all the boxes. It's fruity, musky, has a bit of vanilla in it and is pretty long lasting. And this super cute tiny bottle is easy to carry, so I keep it in my bag and reapply it whenever I need to. So hope you enjoyed watching this video and tell me how do you like this look. Also tell me what are your summer essentials in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.